Good evening. So I was here to talk about something else, but this was my ninth attempt of recording something. So I thought that it's okay. Let's wrap it. That's when I came across the word "it's okay." Like we we say it so often. Like we have like forgotten the meaning of this actual phrase. It's okay. You all must know, right? Let me not take it as a much roller coaster way. I'll go straight. It's like, to be honest, life is not always Instagram ready. Okay, and I have been trying this ninth time, and I have been looking, I've been trying to look perfect in all my shots, but I'm not. I have hair on my oil on my head. Oh, okay. So yeah, life is not always Instagram ready. There will be days when when you'll not feel okay, when you'll feel lonely, you'll feel anxious, you'll feel disheartened, you'll feel lonely. Did I say lonely two times? It's okay. Yeah, but healing isn't linear. Okay, I'll tell you this. Why? Because healing isn't linear because there will be days when when you'll be thriving it, and there will be days when you'll barely survive, and it's okay. It's okay to go through this social pressure that's given by the social media or the society that you live in, and like to look perfect every time. You know, you have to look perfect according for your dream job. Sorry, not your dream job. No one dreams of a job. Sorry, everyone does. Your job, your your relationships, your health, your wealth, everything. So everything has to be look perfect according to the social media. But everything, if you not got it all right now, I don't think that it should be such a pressure for you, because yeah, maybe saying it all is easier, living it is hard, but still, when you've not got all okay right now in your own timeline, it's still okay. You don't have to make your success, your career to be like, right now I'm 21, I'm 22, I'm 25, I have to do something or the other, or this was what I was supposed to do and this is what I'm doing, I don't want to do this, I want to leave this and I want to go back to this thing. But no, everyone doesn't ends up doing their dream job or knowing their passion early at their age. So it's fine. It's fine if you don't know what you have to do right now at your 20 or 30, 50, 70. It's okay. Because I'll give you an example. I might be wrong, but the owner of KFC, some Sanders, I'm really sorry about it, but he opened his like the whole KFC. He was rejected by so many people. He was rejected by so many people, and at the end, he established his own firm of this KFC chicken. He was very old by that time. The author of Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling, even she was way too, like, she was in 20, 25, 30s when she wrote this Harry Potter series, which we still love it like anything. So it's okay if you haven't figured out what you have to do, or if you do, like, it's okay if you haven't figured out your purpose at 20, 25, 35, 45, or even 75. See, death, everyone has to die. Everyone has to die. But just taking up the stress, not focusing on what it is right now for you is a blessing. You are actually missing that whole point of living. If you're not focusing on what you have right now, if you're okay with this thing, it is, maybe this is the, if you're normal, if you're okay with this normal, maybe that normal is someone else's blessing. So try to be okay with everything. Like, suppose I have this wallet right now. Actually, it was gifted by my brother on my birthday. Not that part of a brand, but yeah, it's very close to my heart. So if this wallet, it's okay for me, it's normal for me. Like, yeah, I have 10, 20 wallets like this. Maybe it's someone else's dream, right? Maybe it's someone else's dream. And it's so, like, how someone's normal might be another person's dream, right? Don't compare your journeys, people. Don't compare your journeys. If today you have this, the other person doesn't, don't go and compare yourself like, okay, you don't have it, I have it. Or if you don't have something that the other person have, don't go and compare that you don't have it, but you have it, why don't I have it? If I'm making any sense. I know half of my things don't make any sense. But still, my whole point of recording this video is to tell myself that it's okay not to be okay. Like, if your version of okay today is just getting up from bed after so many days of, being depressed and all, that's okay. That's quite of a brave thing to do today. Right? This morning, you're getting up. That's a big deal. It's okay. Small wins matter actually. You understand like what I'm actually trying to say. Like small wins matter. You don't need to big win. You don't need to win big actually. I framed it wrong. Like that's my issue actually. So you don't have to win big enough to feel worthy. Right? Did I make sense? Yes. So celebrate life, celebrate little wins, little things like going through the day or coming back home alive or just being able to get some water today. Be hydrated, guys. I'm not. So everything will eventually make sense to you. And another thing, another thing from dehydration came to my mind that if you're exercising 5 minutes a day, it's also a good thing to start with, right? If you're doing a long time saved recipe and you're making it, it's a win. It's a big win. So try to enjoy, try to celebrate your life more than you're regretting about it. And when you make mistakes, try again, because it's okay. You're allowed to be a masterpiece and a work in progress at the same time. That's what it's okay means. So when was the last time when you told yourself that it's okay not to be okay? I told it today. I started my journey today. I hope you all will start. Chalo, bye bye. My dal chawal is getting colder.